Getting a job can be difficult finding the right fit at the right employer.
Yeah, but for someone with a disability, the search can be even harder. That's why local organizations are marking Disability Employment Awareness Month.
And Kate Francis is here now to show us how. Kate, where are you?
Hey, good morning, guys. I'm live in New Britain at the Hospital for Special Care, and I have two very special guests here with me this morning. I have Steve from FAVAR and Lynn from the hospital. Thank you both so much for joining us this morning. I really appreciate your time.
Thanks for being here.
So, Steve, I want to start with you because we're talking about employment for people with some disabilities, and you're already working here in partnership with the hospital to make sure that these individuals have a place to go, right?
Yes. And FAVAR supports individuals, mostly adults, with intellectual and developmental disabilities, or IDD for short. And we help them find employment, keep employment, but we also provide housing supports through group homes and apartments, lots of recreation and social activities, really to give people a full and healthy and active life.
Fantastic. So, Lynn, for you, how does that translate to people getting employment here at the hospital?
Well, it fits perfectly. It's actually a great partnership. The hospital is a very welcoming and inclusive environment. We actually treat a lot of patients who have some similar challenges or unique opportunities that the folks from FAVAR have, and it's just a really great opportunity for us. We need employees, and these guys show up every day willing to tackle anything we throw at them, and I think it's really a very warm, welcoming, and inclusive environment for them. It fits perfectly.
Oh, I can imagine. So we're actually here in the cafeteria, which I understand is where some of these employees work, right?
Absolutely, they do, and they partner side by side with our own employees. They are certainly treated as equals, and are valued as a member of our 1,300 or so employee team.
Fantastic. So, Steve, we were talking about it because it's 7 or 8 employees at this time, 7 or 8 individuals, and you're always hoping to get more people involved, but it's a whole day long process, right? They get on the van, they come to work, they get back on the van, they go back, right?
Yes, and I think the biggest misperception that employers have is the abilities of people with IDD. So they're really capable of doing quite a lot of things, complex, routine tasks. And so, yeah, FAVAR provides the support, including the transportation that you mentioned, job coaching support when that's needed to make sure the quality and productivity is where it needs to be. And so, yeah, we follow the person along to make sure that the employer's needs are met.
Okay, fantastic. So I'm sure that there's, obviously we were just talking about this before we went live, but there's so much that goes into this. And if you're looking for more information, we're going to post that on the Channel 3 app. We're also going to have much more coming up in just a few minutes here on the Wax. So Nicole and Scott, we're going to send things back into you for now, but we'll see you back here in just a few.
Awesome. Thanks, Kate.